Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is an all stainless steel accumulation table. You'll see it's a unidirectional, omnidirectional. It can run both directions with some slight modification, but has the facilities for it. The two mat type tabletop chains you see are 18 and 15 inches wide respectively, and are about 45 inches on the working length. The unit's about 52 by 50 in the overall dimension. Now you'll see on this end here, there is a mounting for a secondary drive if you wanted to make this a bi-directional table. There's also facilities in here which tell us it probably was at one time. And inside the box here, you'll see we're operating incidentally on 120 single phase voltage right now. You'll see the three little boards here on the right. Those are all DC control boards. One marked for the outfeed conveyor, the outfeed conveyor, outfeed lane, and infeed lane. You see down the bottom there. It does have variable speed. Obviously, since we're running from one motor, you'll see there's the controls are right here. Speed for each one of those boards can be used. Obviously, you have to have a motor to use that. It has a number of points for mountings. So we're guessing how it was possibly used previously. Of course, there was a conveyor that was pulled out of here, so this conveyor would be exiting, you'll see. It looks like it's about for a 3 1/4 standard tabletop chain. There's plenty of room in there to add a sprocket. And of course, this would be pulled from a piece of conveyor you'd add onto that, using it as an unloading table. Certainly could be run as an accumulating table as well. We have lots of unscramblers, both manual and semi-automatic, as well as fully automatic unscramblers, everything in packaging and processing for the sanitary industry. So I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.